Hello everyone, Manoj here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to focus on book recommendations for product managers. So as a product manager, upskilling and continuous learning is very essential to stay on the top of your game, right? That's why here I am sharing some of the books that will help you to enhance your skills and excel in the field of product management. Last time we had discussed some books which will help you to prepare for product management interviews and learning product management, but in this video we are going to focus on the books which will help you to upskill as a product manager. So the first book recommendation is Measure What Matters, like how Google and other big companies rock the world with OKRs by John Doerr. So OKRs, so this book mainly covers about OKRs, or objective and key results, which is a powerful goal setting frameworks used by top companies to drive alignment and achieve remarkable results. So in today's life, driving alignment is very important as a product manager, especially in bigger orgs and when you are scaling your product, right? In this book, the author shares real world examples and practical advice on implementing OKRs effectively in your organization. Whether you are leading a team or working solo, this book will help you to set and measure meaningful goals, which will help you to launch your product successfully and measure its success. And the next book recommendation is Super Thinking, the book of mental models by Gabriel Weinberg and Lauren Macken. As a product manager, you often face complex problems, right, that require effective decision making. So in your day-to-day life, you will come up with you'll have so much problem statements which are very complex and you don't know how to solve it, right? Super thinking is a very useful help as it introduces you to a collection of mental models which are used by some of the world's greatest thinkers to analyze and solve problems. Think of it as a framework, right? These models will help you to approach challenges with clarity and better informed decisions for your product. So, if you want to take better decisions with mentor models, Super Thinking is the book for you. And the next recommendation is 0 to 1 Notes on Startups or How to Build the Future by Peter Thiel. This book offers valuable insights from one of the most successful entrepreneurs and investors in Silicon Valley. So, in this book, the author challenges conventional wisdom and shares his principle of building breakthrough startups that create a new and unique value proposition, right? So, as a product manager, creating products with a unique value prop, beating the competition, like giving the user like a in terms of quality as well as the cost, in terms of value versus cost, right? It's very important. So, as a product manager, 0 to 1 will inspire you to think boldly and create products that truly stand out. Another fantastic addition to our reading list is Blue Ocean Strategy: How to Create Uncontested Market Space and Make the Competition Irrelevant by W. Chan and Renee Mombark. This groundbreaking book introduced the concept of Blue Ocean Strategy. So, where companies create new market and uncontested space instead of competing in the existing one, right? So, if you are a product manager working on futuristic technologies, you're going to create a new market. There's no existing market or there's no existing competitor you're competing with. So, this book will help you as a product manager to understand how to identify and create blue oceans of opportunities which will give you a competitive edge. The next book in our recommendation is Crossing the Chasm: Marketing and Selling High-Tech Products to Mainstream Customers, right? By Grofe A. Moore. By this book is very important because nowadays what happens, a product has a life cycle. First is in the early adoption stage, right? Where there are a lot of early adopters, right? And then it grows, the product grows, it has a growth curve, and then again it comes down. So users start dropping off, there's some other good product in the market. This classic book is a must read for product managers in the tech industry because in this the author presents a framework for understanding the challenges of transition from early adopters to mainstream customers, right? How does early adopters come and how they convert into a mainstream customer and advocate of your product. Crossing the Chasm provides valuable insights into product marketing and positioning. helping you to successfully navigate the critical thing in the product adoption stage, right? So this book will help you in learning about product adoption, go to market strategy, and much more. And the last one in our list is hacking growth, how today's fast growing companies drive breakout success, right? So nowadays most of the products are built. The problem they are facing is with engagement or retention or acquiring new users, right? Or users are coming in but they are not staying in the app or the website, right? While not focused on product management, this book offers valuable insights into growth hacking strategies and tactics. As a product manager, understanding how to drive growth and scale your product is crucial, and that's what hacking growth provides. With you a practical list of practical tips to achieve growth for your product. So yeah, these are the book recommendations, and let me know any book you have already read, and also in the comments let us know if there's any other good book I missed in the list, right? And all the links of these books are attached in the comments. You can buy from there. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content on product management. Thank you and have a nice day.